Hey everyone! Today, we're diving into the Aceup Energy 4350 watt portable generator. This powerhouse is a gas-powered workhorse, perfect for a variety of applications. With 3,500 running watts and a peak of 4,350 watts, it's ready to tackle your power needs. First things first, let's talk about the build. The generator comes with wheels, making it easy to move around. The 4-gallon fuel tank with a fuel gauge ensures you have enough juice, and with up to 10 hours of runtime at half load, it's reliable for extended use. Under the hood, we have a 7 HP 208 cubic centimeters 4-stroke OHV engine with a recoil start. It's robust and kicks in at 60 Hz. The package includes a convenient oil funnel, a bottle of engine oil, spark plug wrench, and a handle. Everything you need for maintenance. Now, let's talk outlets. It features a 120VL5-30R30A locking receptacle, perfect for heavy-duty equipment, and two 20A standard outlets for your regular devices. The hour meter is a nice touch, keeping track of operation hours for maintenance purposes. Aceup Energy ensures quality by functionally testing all generators in the factory. Plus, it's EPA and CARB compliant, which is fantastic for the environmentally conscious user. And the best part? It's backed by a 3-year limited warranty with free lifetime technical guidance. Whether you're using it for commercial purposes, powering your home, or taking it on a camping trip, the Aceup Energy generator has got you covered. It's a reliable companion for your power needs. That's it for this overview of the Aceup Energy 4350 watt portable generator. If you have any questions or experiences with this generator, feel free to share them in the comments below. Until next time, stay powered up. Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.